Welcome back. I've had a lot going on this week, so I'll keep this short with a quick tip about bulk ordering sculpting clay. Now don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button if you find this video helpful. So when you order oil-based clay, it's going to be a little pricey no matter what kind you get. It's just an expense that I have to budget for if I want to create a lot of sculpts. It is reusable too, which helps out a lot with the cost. I have a lot of new projects going on right now, so I just got in this 50-pound case of JMac sculpting clay. It was almost $186 or somewhere around there, but I go through a lot very quickly. Now let me break down the cost of ordering this in bulk compared to ordering a single block. I always use Amazon.com because sometimes I get free 2-day shipping if items are stocked for Amazon Prime. Plus it saves my information, which saves me time. Now I don't want to hard sell you on Amazon, especially since they've been in the news a lot lately. But some of you probably love Amazon while others do not. That is completely up to you. Either way, this clay comes from the same art supply retailers. Amazon just gives them a wider audience, and it allows me to order it quicker since my shipping info is saved to my account. So I have links for Amazon and for the retailers' websites down below in the video description. So a single 10-pound block of JMac clay, which I'll show you right here what it looks like. That's a single block. There's 5 blocks in here. So a single block is $36 on Amazon, or $3.60 per pound. If you order a 50-pound case, like so, it's $147, which is only $2.94 per pound. So, bulk ordering this stuff will save you $33. I haven't gone over shipping yet. With shipping, when you order the same quantity, you actually save $15.46. That's 1 block compared to ordering 5 blocks all in one box. So in total you save $48.46 when ordering clay in bulk. So that's almost 50 bucks that you can save. So I hope that's helpful to you if you're creating a lot of sculptures. Now there are similar clays if you prefer something else like Chavant, Monster Clay, Roma, or any other plastiline clays. Just check the links down below and you can compare for yourself. Now don't forget to subscribe and like this video by clicking the thumbs up button down below. Thank you all for watching. I will see you all next time.